Hey guys, it's Marla from MarlaMeridith.com, and today we are cooking up one of my favorite recipes from my cookbook, High Alpine Cuisine. This recipe is called AELPLERMAGRONEN, also known as Swiss one-pot mac and cheese. Seriously, the best thing you'll ever eat.
So let's get started.
First, we're gonna add our chopped onions, garlic, and bacon to the pan. Then when that's all cooked through, you're gonna remove it and add the half and half broth and potatoes and the pasta. When that's all done, you'll add the cheese. And one thing this recipe is really well known for is a side of applesauce. I know it sounds weird, but it is delicious. I think today we should add a splash of white wine. Time for all this delicious Gruyere to go in the pot. You get a whole lot closer to the Swiss Alps when you make this dish at home. Ready to dig in? I am. It's so good. For more delicious recipes and lifestyle posts, head over to MarlaMeridith.com.